Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So, we're going to start with grade 6 maths. So, you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then, you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 6 maths. We are working on chapter 4 integers. And let's start with a topic that is put integers in order. Okay, let's start with the topic. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down important points. Got it? Let's start with put integers in order. Let's start with example. Okay, put these integers in order from least to greatest, and the numbers are 3, 4, and 0. You have to write them from least to greatest. So your all the numbers are positive, 3, 4, and 0. That means the least one is 0. Then you have 3 and 4. 0 is the smallest one, then you have 3, and then you have 4. 4 is the greatest one. Got it? Okay, then you have put these integers in order from least to greatest. The numbers are -3, -4, and 0. You have to, now you have -3 and -4 are, you have two numbers that are negative. And keep this very important point in your mind: negative numbers are always smaller than 0. Got it? So -3 and -4 are smaller than 0. Let's see which one is smaller. -4 is less than -3. Got it? That means the smallest one is -4. Got it? Then you have -3, and then you have 0. 0 is greater than these two numbers. Got it? So the least one is -4 and the highest one is 0. Got it? Okay, the next one we have is -2, -3, and -1. Okay, so which one is the smallest one? We have to arrange them from least to greatest. The least one is -3. -3 is the least one, smallest among all the numbers. Got it? Then -2 and -1, then -2 is smaller, and then -1. Got it? So -3 is the smallest one, and -1 is the greatest one out of the three numbers. Got it? Okay, on the top right corner, we have a test button. So let's just start with the test. Put these integers in order from least to greatest. The numbers are 5, -2, and -5. You have to see which of them is least one and which of them is the greatest one. So uh, just negative numbers are always smaller than the positive numbers. So just look at -2 and -5. So which one is the least one out of -2 and -5? -5 is the least one. Got it? As you are moving far from 0, the numbers are getting smaller and smaller. So -5 is the farthest from 5, then -2. So -5 is the smallest one. Then you have -2, and then the positive number. Got it? So the first option is the correct one. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, now we have 0, -3, and -1. So 0 is the greatest number among all three, and then you need to compare -3 and -1. So -3 is farther than -1 from 0. Got it? So -3 is the smallest one, then you have -1 and then 0. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, you have 3, 4, 0. So all of them are positive. So 0 is the least one. Then you have 3 and then you have 4. Got it? So the first option is the correct one. Select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 3, -1, and -2. You have to arrange them from least to greatest. So which is the least one? -2, because it is far from 0. -2 is the least one, then you have -1 and then the positive number. Got it? All these negative numbers are smaller than the positive numbers. Got it? Okay. -1, 3, and 1. -1, 3, and 1. Okay. The smallest one is -1. Then you have 1 and then you have 3. Got it? Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay. Put these integers in order from least to greatest. 2, -2, and 0. So the least one is the number. -2 is the least one. Then you have 0 and then you have 2. Got it? Okay. Put these integers in order from least to greatest, and the numbers are 5, -3, and -4. So which one is the least one? -4 is the least one. Then you have -3 and then you have 5. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Put these integers in order from least to greatest, and the numbers are -2, 4, and -4. So which number is the least one? -4, as -4 is farther from 0. So that is the smallest one. Then you have -2 and then you have 4. Got it? Okay. The next one is put these integers in order from least to greatest. The numbers are -3, -5, and -1. So which one is the smallest one? The one that is farther from 0 is the smallest one. So -1. -5 is the smallest one. Then you have -3 and then you have -1. Got it? So that's the first option, -5, -3, and -1. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 4, -1, and 3. So the -1 is the least one, -1. Then you have 3 and then you have 4. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Put these integers in order from least to greatest, and the numbers are 2, 5, and 1. So you have to arrange them from least to greatest. So the least one is 1, then you have 2, and then you have 5. Got it? Okay, the next one is put these integers in order from least to greatest. The numbers are -3, 1, and -5. So, which is the least one? -5 is the least one, then you have -3, and then you have 1. Got it? Okay, the next one, -3, -4, and 0. So, which is the least one? -4 is the least one, then you have -3, and then you have 0. Got it? Okay, the next one is 4, 3, and 2. So all the numbers are positive, so 2 is the least one, then you have 3, and then you have 4. Got it? Okay, so you can complete the test by yourself later today. I'm just moving on to the next topic, and the next topic is the final test of this chapter. Let's start with the final test. Okay, I'm on final test. Put these integers in order from least to greatest. So the numbers are -2, -3, and -1. So the least number is -3 is the least one. Then you have -2, and then you have -1. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, put these integers in order from least to greatest. The numbers are -3, -4, and 0. So the least one is -4 is the least one, then -3, and then 0. Got it? Okay, the next one is which word makes the statement true? 5 and -3 is greater than or less than. 5 is greater than 7, -3, or less than -3. Positive numbers are always greater than the negative number. So 5 is greater than -3. Got it? Okay, what is opposite of 9? The opposite of 9 is -9. Got it? What which integer represents this scenario? 1 gram decrease in mass. So decreases are always represented by a negative number. Got it? So it would be -1. So select the correct option and click on the OK button. What is absolute value of -58? So absolute values are always positive. So it would be +58. Got it? Select the correct option and click on the OK button. What is opposite of -14? Opposite of a negative number is always a positive number. Got it? Put these orders in integer from least to greatest. -3, -4, and 3. So which is the least one? -4 is the least one, then you have -3, and then you have 3. So select the correct option and click on the OK button. 0 and 1, which word makes the statement true? 0 is greater than 1 or less than 1? 0 is less than 1. Got it? Okay, type the missing number. You are given with a number line, you have to find the missing number. 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5. The missing number is, okay, which number is missing? The options are 3, -3, and 1. You're on the negative side. The missing number must be negative. Got it? So the number that is in between 2 and 4 is 3. So the number is negative. So it would be -3. Got it? Here you have -3. Okay, the next one is, what is opposite of -34? Opposite of a negative number is always a positive number. It would be 34. Got it? Select the correct option and click on the OK button. What integer represents the scenario? Putting one fresh cookie in the cookie jar. So is it positive or is it negative? It is positive. Got it? Okay, the next one is, put integers in order. -1, 3, and 1. You have to arrange them in order. So the least one is -1. Then you have 1 and then you have 3. Got it? So you can complete the test by yourself later today. I'm just moving on to the next topic. The next chapter. We have completed this chapter, and the next topic we're going to start with is one variable equation. Let's start with one variable equations. Okay, the chapter name is one variable equation, and the topic we're going to start with is, does x satisfy an equation? Okay, let's start with, does x satisfy an equation? Is h equals 7? Solution to this equation, you are given an equation h equals 7 and the equation is 11 equals 4 plus h. You need to see if h equals 7 is the solution of the given equation. So what you have to do, you simply have to substitute the value in the equation, replace the h with the value, and see if both sides of the equation are equal. So 7 plus 4 is 11. That means yes, both sides of the equation are now equal. That means the value of h can satisfy the equation. Got it? Okay, the second one is j equals 86 solution of the equation? J equals 86 and the equation is j divided by 86. So just put the value, replace the j with the value 86 over 86 and it would be 1. Got it? The equation is j over 86 equals 1. So yes, j by 86, 86 by 86 is 1. 1 equals 1. That means yes, the equation is j equals 86 is the solution of the equation. Got it? C equals 100. Is C equals 142 a solution of the equation? 2 equals c over 71. Replace the c with the value 142 over 71. Just divide 1 by 2 by 71 and the answer is 2. That means yes, the equation is satisfied. Got it? Let's start with the test. Okay, let's start with the test. The first one is u equal to solution of the equation, and the equation is 1 equals u divided by 2. Just put the value, replace the u with the value. It would be 1 equals 2 by 2. So 2 by 2 equals 1. Yes, the both sides of the equation are equal. That means the value satisfies the equation. Got it? Okay, the next one is z equals 12. Solution to this equation, and the equation is 11z equals 132. Replace the z with the value. It is 11 times 12 equals 132. So 11 times 12 is 132. Both the sides of the equation are equal. That means yes, the equation is the solution of the z equals 2 is the solution of the equation. Got it? So the answer is yes. Okay, is m equals 1 the solution of the equation? And the equation is m minus 6. Just replace m with the value. It would be 11 minus 6, and 11 minus 6 is 5. Yes, both the sides are equal. That means yes, it is a solution of the equation. Got it? Okay, the next one is j equals 10 a solution of the equation? So just put the value 10 plus j equals 20. So replace the j with value. 10 plus 10 is 20. Yes, j equals 10 satisfies the equation. Got it? Okay, the next one is h equals 7 a solution to this equation? And the equation is 11 equals 4 plus h. So just replace the h with the value. So it would be 11 equals 4 plus 7, and both sides of the equation is equal. That means yes, it is the solution of this equation. Got it? The next one is s equals 75 a solution of the equation, and equation is s over 15 equals 5. So 75 by 15 is 15 times 5 is 75. Got it? So that means yes, they are equal. Okay, the next one is n equals 5 the solution of the equation? And the equation is 8 times 5. 8 times 5 is 40. See, both sides of the equation is not equal. That means no, this is not the solution of the equation. Got it? Is j equals 86 a solution of the equation? 86 over 86. The equation is, let me write j over 86. Basically, the equation is j equals 86. So it would be 86 over 86 equals 1. Got it? So both sides of the equation are equal. That means yes, it is the solution of the equation. Okay, the next one is u equals 96. a solution to this equation. So the equation is u over 8 equals 12. So just you replace the u with the value. It would be 96 by 8. Yes, 96 by 8 is 12. Yes, both sides of the equation are equal. That means yes, this is the solution of this equation. Got it? Okay, the next one is r equals 114 and 1 equals r over 114. Replace the r with the value 114 over 114 equals 1. 1 equals 1. That means yes, this is the solution of the equation. Got it? Okay, the next one is b equals 12 a solution to this equation, and the equation is 115 equals 5b. Replace the b with the value 12, and it is 12 times 5 is 60. So that means the equations are not the solution. The both sides of the equation is not equal. That means no, this is not the solution of the equation. Got it? Okay, the next one is x equals to solution of the equation. So the equation is 4 equals x plus 2. Just write the value 2 plus 2. Both sides are equal. That means yes, it is the solution of the equation. Got it? Okay. So the next one is b equals 10, a solution to this equation, and the equation is 22 equals b plus 12. So just replace b with the value 22 equals 10 plus 12. So 10 plus 12 is 22. So both sides of the equation is equal. That means yes, this is the solution of this equation. Got it? Okay, is d equals 5 solution to this equation, and the equation is d equals 5, and the equation is 2d equals 16. 2 times 5 is 10 and 10 equals 16. No, that means no, this is not the solution of the equation. Got it? Okay. Is t equals 8 solution of the equation? And the equation is 25 equals 70. 25 equals 7 times 8. 7 times 8 is 56. That means no, they are not equal. So this is not the solution of the equation. Got it? Okay, the next one is s equals 83 a solution to this equation? So 1 equals s over 83. 1 equals 83 over 83, and 83 over 83 is 1. That means yes, this is the solution of the equation. Got it? Is x equals 25 a solution of the equation? 1 equals x over 25. It would be 1 equals 25 over 25, and 1 equals 1. Yes, this is the solution of the equation. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. I'm just moving on to the next topic. And the next topic is which x satisfies an equation. X satisfies an equation. Okay, so the equation is, okay, what value of v is the solution of the equation? 6 plus v equals 15. So you have to find the value of a v. So just 6 is adding to this side. You have to shift that 6 to the other side. It would be then 15 minus 6. Got it? So 15 minus 6 is 9. Got it? That means 9 is the value. That is the solution of the equation. You can check 6 plus 9. 6 plus 9 is 15. So both sides of the equation are equal. That means this is the solution of the equation. Got it? The next one is, what value of p is solution of this equation? 2p equals 8. You have to find the value of p. So p, 2 is multiplying to p. So opposite to multiplication is, or also you can try different numbers, like you can find p is a number that when multiplied to 2 equals 8. So you can find what number what number when multiplied to p equals 8. 2 times 4 is 8, isn't it? That means the value of p is 4. Got it? Okay, the next number one is 5p equals 15. So p is a number that is multiplying to 5 and makes 15. You need to think of a number that when multiplied to 5 makes 15. So 5 times what number makes 15? 5 times 3 makes 15, isn't it? That means p equals 3. Got it? Okay, let's start with the, on the top right corner you have a test button. Let's start with the test. Okay, the first one is 2p equals 8, and you are given two of the options. One of them is 4 and one of them is 5. So just check with 4. So 2 times 4 is 8. That means 4 is the solution of the equation. Got it? Select the correct option and click on the OK button. What value of x is a solution of the equation? 1 plus x equals 8. You are given two of the options. The options are 7 and 8. Let's check with the first one. 1 plus 7. So 1 plus 7 is 8. Both sides of the equation are equal. That means 7 is the solution of the equation. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. What value of r is the solution of the equation? 12 plus r equals 14. You are given two of the options. They are 2 and 4. Let's check the first one. 12 plus 2 is 14. That means the solution of the equation is 2. Got it? Okay, what value of z is the solution of the equation? The equation is 3z equals 33. You are given two of the options. The first one is 9. Let's check for the first one. 3 times 9 is 27. That means that is not the solution of the equation. Got it? The other option is 11. Just check the other option. 3 times 11 is 33. Yes, that means 11 is the solution of the equation. Got it? Okay, what value of s is the solution of the equation? 12 plus s equals 12. You are given two of the options 0 and 2. Just check with 0. 12 plus 0 is 12 plus 0 is 12. That means 0 is the solution of the equation. Got it? Okay, select the correct option and click on the OK button. The next one is 5p equals 15. So you are given two of the options 3 and 4. Just check for first one. 5 times 3 and 5 times 3 is 15. So yes, both sides are equal. That means the solution of the equation is 3. Got it? The next one is 6 plus v equals 15. You are given two of the options. The options are 9 and check. Let's just check for the first one. 6 plus 9 is 15. So both sides of the equation are equal. So 9 is the solution of the equation. Got it? Okay, the next one is 8y equals 40. And the options you are given are 3 and 5. So let's just check for the first one. 8 times 3. 8 times 3 is 24. 24 is not the solution of the equation. Got it? Let's check for the next one, that is 5. 8 times 5 is 40. Got it? That means 5 is the solution of the equation. Okay, the next one is what value of a is the solution of the equation? A plus 7 equals 17 and the options given are 10 and 11. Let's check for the first one. 10 plus 7 is 17. Got it? That means the first option is the solution of the equation. Got it? Okay, the next one is what value of x is the solution of the equation? 6x equals 48 and the options are 6 and 8. Just check with our first one. 6 times 6 is 36. They are not equal. Got it? Just check with the 8. 6 times 8 is 48. Got it? That means 8 is the solution of the equation. Got it? Okay, the next one is 11 plus y equals 23 and the options are 10 and 12. Just check for the first one. 11 plus 10 is 21. That means that is not the solution of the equation. Just check for the second one. 11 plus 12 is 23. That means the solution of the equation is 12. So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is what value of x is the solution of the equations? X plus 13 equals 24. The options are 10 and 11. So 10 plus 13 is 23. 23 is not 10 is not the solution. Let's check for the 11. 11 plus 13 is 24. Yes, 24 is a solution of the equation. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 5v equals 20. The options are 4 and 6. Let's check for the first one. 5 times 4 is 20. So both sides of the equation are equal. That means 4 is the solution of the equation. Got it? Okay, the next one is 7x equals 49. The options are 5 and 9. Let's check for the first one. 7 times 5 is 35. They are not equal. Let's check for the 9. 7 times 9 is 49. Got it? That means 7 is the solution of the equation. Okay, the next one is 4b equals 12 and the options are 1 and 3. So you can check for the first one. 4 times 1 is 4. They are not equal. Let's check for the second one. 4 times 3 is, yes, it is 12. Got it? So the correct option is 3. So we have done with the test. So we have completed 4 of the topics today. And the topics are from the chapter integers. We did compare and order integers, then put integers in order, then we did the final test, then we started chapter 5, that is one variable equations, and we covered does x satisfy an equation and which x satisfies an equation. If you need more help with the topics, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? So that's all for today. See you in the next class. Bye.